Hello and welcome to Baby Care by Tina. If you're a new parent or expecting a baby soon, congratulations. Bringing a newborn home is a beautiful experience, but it can also feel overwhelming. In today's video, I'll share newborn care basics every parent should know to help you feel confident, prepared, and calm during those precious early days. 1. Feeding your newborn. One of the most important parts of newborn care is feeding. Whether you choose breastfeeding, formula feeding, or a combination of both, your baby will need to eat every 2 to 3 hours. Look for hunger cues like sucking fingers, rooting, or lip smacking. Don't wait for crying, it's often a late sign of hunger. Make sure your baby is gaining weight and having enough wet diapers each day. 2. Diapering and hygiene. Newborns need frequent diaper changes, sometimes 8 to 12 times a day. Always clean gently from front to back and apply diaper cream if you notice redness. Keep the umbilical cord stump clean and dry until it falls off naturally. Avoid full baths until then. Sponge baths are perfect for the first few weeks. 3. Safe sleeping practices. Safe sleep is essential for your baby's health. Always place your newborn on their back to sleep, on a firm mattress, with no pillows, blankets, or toys in the crib. Room sharing without bed sharing is recommended for the first few months to reduce the risk of SIDS. 4. Understanding crying and comforting. Crying is how newborns communicate. Your baby may cry because they're hungry, tired, uncomfortable, or simply need comfort. Try gentle rocking, swaddling, soft singing, or skin-to-skin contact. Remember, responding to your baby builds trust and emotional security. 5. Keeping your baby healthy. Wash your hands before handling your newborn and limit exposure to sick visitors. Regular pediatrician checkups are very important to monitor growth, vaccinations, and overall health. If your baby has a fever, difficulty breathing, or feeding problems, contact your doctor right away. 6. Taking care of yourself. Newborn care isn't just about the baby, it's about you too. Rest whenever possible, eat well, and don't hesitate to ask for help. A healthy, supported parent is the best gift you can give your baby. Outro. Call to action. Every baby is unique, and it's okay to learn as you go. You're doing an amazing job. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share Baby Care by Tina with other parents. See you in the next video.